Are you ready for an adventure? Craving a vehicle that's both stylish and capable? Look no further than the Chery Jetour Traveller JMK Silver Dragon Wings Kit, a limited edition release that's set to take the Chinese market by storm. With only 3,000 units available, this exclusive SUV is priced at an attractive $3,200. But what makes it so special? Let's dive into the details. This isn't just any ordinary Traveller. The Silver Dragon Wings Kit upgrades the vehicle with over 40 enhancements designed to tackle any terrain. You get a bold new front bumper, aggressive 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped in off-road tires, and a convenient roof storage area for all your gear. The rear also boasts a stylish light set and protective net, adding to its rugged appeal. Speaking of rugged, this SUV boasts impressive dimensions. It's competitively sized against popular rivals like the Tank 300, Song Plus EV, Toyota Fortuner Legend, and Honda CR-V, ensuring ample space for both passengers and cargo. But don't let the rugged exterior fool you. The interior is where the Jetour Traveller truly shines. A modern T-shaped layout welcomes you with premium materials and meticulous craftsmanship. Take command with the flat-bottom steering wheel and stay informed with the crisp 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster. A large 15.6-inch central touchscreen acts as your command center, housing navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. And because comfort is key, you'll find luxurious seating for 5 or 7 passengers, depending on your chosen configuration. Enjoy features like 6-way power-adjustable driver's seats, 4-way adjustable front passenger seats, tri-zone climate control, rear AC vents, and even a smart fragrance system to keep your cabin feeling fresh. Powering this beast is a punchy 2.0-liter, 4-cylinder turbocharged gasoline engine, pumping out an impressive 250 horsepower. This ensures confident acceleration and effortless cruising, whether you're conquering mountain passes or navigating city streets. The Chery Jetour Traveller JMK Silver Dragon Wings Kit is more than just an SUV. It's a statement. It's a statement of adventure, of capability, and of refined taste. With its limited availability, this is a vehicle that demands attention wherever it goes. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive exclusivity. Visit your local Chery dealer or visit their website today to learn more about the incredible Jetour Traveller JMK Silver Dragon Wings Kit.